What is two-factor authentication?
Two-factor authentication, often called 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your online accounts. Instead of relying on just a password, 2FA requires users to provide a second form of verification, such as a code sent to their phone. This makes it much harder for unauthorized users to gain access, even if they know your password.
Why use two-factor authentication?
Phone can be vulnerable to hacking, phishing, or simple guessing. Two-factor authentication significantly reduces the risk because attackers need access to something you know and something you have. This extra protection helps keep accounts safe from unauthorized access and keeps your personal data more secure.
How does two-factor authentication work?
When logging in, you'll first enter your username and password. After that, you'll be asked for a second factor, usually a temporary code sent via SMS, email, or generated by an authenticator app. Only after providing both the password and the code do you gain access, making it much harder for hackers to break in.
Common methods of two-factor authentication.
Misdemeanors 2 can use various methods including text message codes, authenticator keys, email verification, or physical security keys. Each method balances convenience and security. Authentication apps and physical keys are considered more secure than SMS, which can be vulnerable to interception or SIM swapping.
Implementing two-factor authentication on your website.
To add two-factor authentication to a website, developers can use libraries and services that manage codes or integrate with authentication apps. Common programming languages and frameworks offer plugins or APIs to simplify setup. Always provide clear instructions for users, offer backup authentication methods, and regularly review security settings to ensure ongoing protection.